Hello friends, welcome to this video. I am Sohit and today we will learn about IONIC. Basically, IONIC is a web framework. It is used for developing mobile applications and cross-platform application, and it provides a beautiful user interface like our Bootstrap, Bulma and Materialize. Like these framework, it's also popular framework to build mobile application. Okay, so let's get started. So we will see how to install Ionic globally in your system. So here is the command install Ionic. So simply copy this command, open your CMD, okay, and run as administrator. Then you will just write this command and you will hit enter button. Then Ionic will install in your machines, okay, and make sure you will have internet. Then run this command, it will installed in your computer. So I already installed, so I will not hit this button. Okay, I will just cancel it. Then next step, what is next step, start an Ionic application. So friends, how to start application? Okay, we will I will change your directory first. Okay, so in this my G drive, okay, I want to start a Ionic application. So how to make a project? So simply write ionic start start my first my first app. Hit enter button. After that, it will provide us some few of templates, and make sure you will have internet for this command also. So see, let's pick the perfect starter template. Here is a few templates, tabs, side menu. With the side menu you will have a project. With a blank application there will minimum content, and then another my first app. It's with a camera with gallery application. It's a built-in feature in this application. Okay, and conference, a kitchen sink application that show all of Ionic has to offer. Those this application based on kitchen sink. So in these template I will choose tab. Okay, simply write tab. It will prepare directory for this, and it will download all of required files from the server. Okay, see, now it's starting download. Make sure you will have internet connection for it. Till that time we will explore Ionic. Okay, so in okay, I will go to platform, to framework. You can see Ionic provide many of these UI. Okay, theming, navigation, components. Okay, let's explore the component. Here's a lots of components of Ionic: action sheet, alert, badges, button, card. Okay, checkboxes, chip, content, and this is the icons. We can use these icons in our applications. So it's a built-in, so we don't need to this project will set up everything for us. We just have to write a code. Okay, so there is a grid like a Bootstrap. Okay, so grid system is the infinity scroll. This feature is coming in this application. List. Okay, let's explore this list. I will open this component. This will look like this, as you can see. Wait for it, it's fetching the data. Okay, this is a source code for Angular, for React, for Vue, and see, this will be a template. You can see, okay, this is the template of list. Here is more of, it's a card. So card will be look like this. Wow, it's a beautiful card, and there's many features. Okay, and most of features I love. Here is a tab, and it's a iron slide. Let's check this. It's like a image slider. You can slide your elements using this. See, this slide is coming. See how comfortable framework is this, and very smooth framework to build our application, our build application. Basically, it uses SAS, so we have to work with it. Okay, let's check it's installed or not. Only some of downloading is pending, so we will wait for that. And till that time, we'll explore more about it. And if you look on CLI, there is many command for this framework. It's a build command. Basically, it used to build our project. Okay, as you can see, first of all the variable name came here, ionic. It's a CLI itself, then command name, whatever command you want to write. Okay, this sub command, it will host your application in local machine. Okay, and this is generator, SSL generator for making your application secure. Okay, this is delete command to delete component, add component. Okay, for login, log out. So let's check it. Login, what is in a login? Authentication with ionic retrieves a user token which is stored in CLI configuration. The most secure way to log in, running ionic login without argument, which will promote you for your credential. So it's basically for login purpose. Okay, so this is the login, ionic login, john@example.com. So you can register for your dashboard. So few of these commands are very pretty good and cool. Okay, and see, we can build as a code over. When we will complete our application, we will also talk about this command, very useful command for us to build this, to build mobile application. Simply you will write this command after completing our project, ionic code over build. Okay, I have a code over tutorial, so please watch that. I will mention the link in the description, and if you will see, then code over build for Android, and it supplies the all of package for Android, iOS, and for Windows also. Okay, here you can emulate. Let's check this emulate command. Okay, this emulate command used to emulate our application in a local emulator. So using this command, we will just emulate. You can run our application in our desktop. Okay, so these are the command. We will also learn about these things. Okay, still not okay. So go to native. Okay, here's some ionic is a library of code over plugins. Ionic also provide a plugins as a code overdo, so we just have to integrate it in our project so we can use it. Okay, and they give in a two categories. In a community edition, it's a collection of free code over plugin built in, maintained by OSS community. OSS is a community which is making a native plugins for this framework. Okay, it's like a code over plugin, but it's totally free. And in enterprise edition, it's a team building mission critical app. Means if you are using an organization where you need more effective services, then you can use this enterprise edition. And there is also something I will tell you. Native company. So basically go to this URL. Okay, you can see here is a studio. You can also buy this studio. It will create your application more faster, but it's paid now. A community edition, it has these feature, but in an enterprise edition you can, oh my god, you can your long term version support, version migration assistant, next business day, and whatever. Most of these features are here, but here is minimum features. Okay, so you can also buy this Ionic Studio. I will recommend it. If you need it, you can make your development fast. Okay, so let's check my, now it's, my project is ready. And if you will go to my G drive, here is a project name, my first step. I will just open in a code. Okay, I will close this. Now it's opened in a globe in my Visual Studio Code. Okay, now it's my project. Here you can see, in a F folder I have a tab 1, tab 2, tab 3 tabs, and this is the master page of these tab application. So let's see a look on this application. I will just enter to my terminal. And how to serve our application, there is a command ng serve. Within this command it will serve your project, and it will host this application in a local machine. So we will wait for it. It will take a time. First time it take time, so maybe 1 minute is enough. Till that time we can explore more. Okay, so let's check what people are telling about Ionic and what is the issues, what's new. Let's check. Start photos with the code over camera and file plugin. This plugin is used for storing photos, and this is the plugin used in Cordova. Cordova used for build or hybrid application. It's a framework, Apache Cordova. Okay, storing photos based iconic show. What is it? Yeah. With the success of last Iconic show episode, we want to keep the, okay, this will something announcing the Ionic release candidate. And there is many upgrade is coming in this platform. So every day Ionic team building new things, so we have to use it. Desktop ID, want to come to some desktop developer tool that make app design to the desktop ID. They're talking about Studio, Ionic Studio, and many more. Okay, now if you'll see, our project is served successfully, and what we will do, just start our application. Here you can see we have our application. Okay, here is the one card, one header, and some list items. And in a tab 2 its content is nothing. Tab 3 is here. So it's a very pretty cool framework. Whatever we will use, it will work. So this, now we have already created our project, and guys, we will build our application with this Ionic framework. So all of tutorial is related to this concept also. So watch this video. It's a recommended before of you will proceed to watch next video. So thank you for watching this video, and subscribe my channel for latest videos. Okay, have a great day.